Good evening, everyone, or maybe it's a good morning, or maybe it's a good day. Whenever you have the opportunity to open this newsletter and watch this video, I hope you're having a good one. I am Michael Ogg, and I am the principal of Alton Elementary School, and I'll be your new principal. Welcome to Alton, boys and girls. And parents, we're so glad that your children will be joining us. In fact, that you'll be joining us also. Welcome to the Alton family. It's a wonderful family. We work really hard at taking care of each other. And please know, boys and girls, we're going to make sure that we take care of you this school year. Parents, I wanted to let you know this is a kind of a newsletter that I will send out throughout the year as we go forward. And I might do little videos. So you actually, because you're new to Alton, will get the first one for this year. As you may know by now, this Thursday, August 18th, we're going to have somewhat of an open house. And I say somewhat because unfortunately, the open house this year is not going to be similar to what we've had in the past due to the pandemic that we're currently in. But we're going to do everything possible to open our doors, allow you and your child to see the school for the first time, and hopefully, if I plan it out right, be able to see your child's classroom and possibly drop off your child's school supply. So now, below this video, there is a Google form that I have created, and hopefully I created it right, but you will be able to sign up on a certain time for your child or your children, because I know some of you have 2 or 3 children that will be joining us this year. But I would ask if you could please take the time to fill that out. And if you could fill it out by Wednesday, August 17th by 3 o'clock, that will be great. We're going to try to make sure, we can have some social distance and not too many people in at one time. And your help in filling this form out will help us out. Now, we may have to contact you, but hopefully we plan things out and we're ready to go for this Thursday. Couple other things to know that when you're coming to visit, just please make sure you follow the protocols. Of course, if you've been around anybody who's had COVID, hey, you have symptoms, we'll ask you to stay at home at the time. Parents, due to, of course, the number of people coming in, we're just going to ask for one parent to escort the child into the building. Of course, parents, you'll have to wear a mask or a face shield, please. And then, of course, like I said, we're just limited. Usually what open house has been in the past, it's been open and people walking around and getting to talk to everyone. We're going to keep it kind of short and simple. That way you can kind of see and get a feel, and hopefully maybe for your children, release some of that anxiety. But boys and girls, let me tell you, nothing to worry about, okay? I'm going to keep these 2 eyes on you. I eat my carrots all the time, so I am going to make sure to watch out for you because you're my new family members. And I love you very much, and I want you to have a great school year. So, parents, if you could fill that out, I would appreciate. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call up at the school, and either I, myself, or our assistant principal, Miss Peterson, will do our best to answer your questions. Again, I hope you're having a great day. Boys and girls, I cannot wait to see you. But until then, I guess I'll see you soon.